Okay, this is how you unlock Neolock smart locks. You have to download the application Neolock from Apple Store or Google Store. And once you've downloaded it, just open the app. Click on the plus sign to scan. And once the name turns green, just click plus and connect to Bluetooth. Just choose the name of your lock. And since you're connected to the Bluetooth, when this button turns green, just click to unlock. Okay. And if you want, you can go back to the settings and set the auto lock function. Just enable it here, and then you can choose how long you want the lock to function again. It says here 5 seconds. Go back to the main screen. And wait for 5 seconds for it to lock. Okay. Another way to unlock is to generate or to send a passcode. Just click this function, choose one time, and click generate. Okay, this is the new code. Okay, and if you want to share this code, you can click this button and you can send it via email or message to share the passcode. And go back to the main screen.